Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me for another PBDA cooking segment. Today we're going to assemble strawberry shortcake. This is a wonderful dessert to have this time of year when strawberries are beautiful, delicious, and in season. So this morning when I got up, I made some biscuits. That's going to be the base of our dessert today. And I made them. And I cut one in half and I sliced up the strawberries. Oh, they're beautiful. And I put a little sugar on the strawberries because that draws out the juices. And it really makes it wonderful when you put it on the biscuits. The juice really gets on them and it really is wonderful. So I'm going to put some strawberries on, and don't worry about how many. Everyone seems to love them, so the more the merrier. And oh, this looks really good. And then sort of reach down in the bowl and get some of the juice. And there we go. And then after your strawberries are on, I also whipped up some whipped cream. And in the whipped cream, I put a little bit of vanilla and again, just a little bit of sugar. You don't need a lot of sugar because the strawberries are already naturally sweet, and we did put a little sugar on to draw the juices out. So I'm going to put a dollop of whipped cream on both sides. Wow, that is so beautiful. And to finish it off, I like to put a little bit of mint. I think that's a nice surprise, and certainly sort of a nice finishing touch. It makes the dessert look really pretty. I'm going to put one more piece over here. So there you have it, strawberry shortcake. Homemade biscuits, beautiful strawberries in season, and delicious whipped cream. What a nice dessert. So have a wonderful summer, and I'm sure we'll be back with more recipes from PBDA. Love to you all, and happy cooking.